Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have the first two of this week's D-Stash.
Hi, do you have a light? Is this short?
No, Todd is here.
Hi. I'm gonna be doing something.
I am unboxing two canvases, and they are both Mickey Mouse themed. They are Walmart finds. Don't ask me why I have so many of these. I think one or two were gifts, and my husband didn't know I already had them. I did get gifts from other people, so I think I have like two of each of these. So one I'm keeping and one of these I'm destashing. So here we go. There they are. So we'll do this one first. All right. This will not be something you will need because this is a destash, but this comes with your toolkit. It'll come with your pen, your baggies, your tool, your tray, and inside the tray will be heart wax, and I think some plastic, the clear wax, I believe, is what's in here. Let's see. No, a multi-placer and the heart wax. Okay, and here's the clear and a bag of baggies, and this will all come with the kit. So this was a Walmart kit, and it does have a treasure quest card. It's got a bronze. Yep, bronze. Super cute. And 37 colors for this guy. 37. And it has 3 6,000 numbers, 2 ABs, and 2 fairy dust. And it is called a big smackaroo. It looks super cool. Daily Sparkle DP just completed this one, and it came out super cool. You might want to go look. So it does come with your treasure quest card. That will be in there as well. Oh, this one is super nice. Look at that. And it's got the perforated paper, and I'm attached. The glue is good, and the gray lines do not go on the canvas, which is good. They did have a problem with the red lines showing up on the canvas, so they went to gray. And now it's good. It is good. So this is from Disney through Diamond Art Club. It's a big smackaroo, 37 colors. And it's got the white fairy dust, which is going to be all in the faces. And then you've got a gold fairy dust, which is going to be in the shoes. And then we have a red AB, which is the check marks, which are going to be, yep, in her bow and in Mickey's pants. And then we have a pink AB, which is the star. And the star. Now, Starlight Starbright 70 did get one of these canvases. She picked it from actually, I've had 3 of these. She won it for one of my events. And here is the other AB. right here. And let's look if I can find them real quick, the 6,000 numbers. And there is a purple on the 6,000 number. I've seen, and it is it's a square, guys. This is a square. I was going to say a round, but it's a square canvas. All right. Look at all of these purples. And that is going to be all the background. Super pretty. I keep getting attacked. Oh, here's a 6,000 number. It's a blue. There's your red AB. And there's your white fairy dust. And there's your other 6,000. And there's the other one. Just a few pinks. Beautiful colors. And we're going to put that in there. So there's your colors. Look at that pretty yellow. Oh my goodness. You know the drill. Pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. Make me an offer. This retails at Walmart for $14.97. And that's what was paid. So there is a big macaroo right there. I don't think Walmart has this one anymore. And I know Diamond Art Club doesn't have it on their site anymore. I don't even know if they did. But I was surprised to see it's a square. Because usually the Walmart ones are rounds, aren't they? So, and you get your toolkit and your card. I'm not keeping any of it. This kit doesn't need any extra drills. Now, if there's something you do not want me to send, like the toolkit, because it does add weight, I will gladly take it out. So there won't be any extra drills added to this because this is going to look fabulous with the specials that it has. So, and I will rip this off when I send it. It just makes it easier to wrap. The next one, out of the way, is Mickey in Motion. And this one looks super cute. Oh, okay. Big Smackaroo is 17 inches by 13 inches. So it's not a big one. Obviously, you've seen it in the camera. Okay, and this one is, I feel like it's stuck. It was. Okay, so again, this won't be necessary. Mickey in Motion. It is a 12 by 9 inch, 12 inch by 9 inch. And it has 9 colors. And it has 1, 2, 3 ABs and 1 fairy dust. I bet you the fairy dust or the ABs are going to be in these colors here. What do you think? What do you think? So this one doesn't have a card. That could mean I already kept it. I took it out. I probably liked it, but I don't know if I have it already. But if you really want the card, I can look for it. You'd have to let me know in the email. 12-inch by 9-inch, and this one went for, I want to say, 13 at Walmart, $12.97. This is a round. There's your fairy dust. And this fairy dust is the star. And the star is going to be here, and it is going to be in here. Okay, and here's your AB blue, which is 8. Yep, it's in here, and the AB orange. Yep, it's all going to be in here, guys. Oh, and in Mickey's outfit. That's going to be nice. There's your 5200 drill, which is going to be Mickey's face and his hand, and the 310, which is going to be his ears, and all that. There's the yellow AB 7, that's going to be in his shoes, and right here. This is going to be really cute when it's done. So this one is 9 colors, 12 by 9, a round kit called Mickey in Motion. Isn't that cute? This would be good for a Mickey event, a mouse event, and Lazy Retired Granny is doing yellow. This has got yellow. No, they're doing purple butterflies. There's no purple in this, but she really doesn't care what you do. But if you want to check out Lazy Retired Granny, go right ahead. Be my guest. She's amazing. And again, if you want the Treasure Quest card, I can look for it, because I'm pretty sure it's in my book. I'm pretty sure. So it's all in there. And there was no toolkit, but I can include a toolkit. You just have to ask, because I won't remember. And again, I will rip this off so it's easy to pack. Take both of them off my hands, make me an offer, and just pay $5 for shipping if you take them both. Take them both plus $5 in shipping. Make me an offer and add $5 to it. All right. Have a wonderful day and be kind, everyone.